In the mysterious and vast universe, what is the most incredible celestial body you have ever seen? Perhaps your first reaction is to think of the famous pillars of creation. This is a magnificent scene that truly exists within the Milky Way. It is about 6,500 light-years away from Earth. As early as 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope, which at the time had the most powerful optical system in the world, captured for the first time a close-up image of the pillars of creation. What we can see are three pillars like elephant trunks standing tall in the boundless universe. In fact, they are composed of interstellar gas and massive clouds of dust. Among these pillars, the longest one is about 5 light-years in length, embedded with dazzling starlight like gemstones. From Earth, the pillars of creation are a small part inside the Eagle Nebula. Because of their unusual shape, whether it's experienced astronomers or people who have never studied astronomy, their eyes will be deeply attracted by the pillars of creation. It was even rated by Space.com as one of the 10 most classic photos taken by Hubble. From this rendered image, green represents hydrogen, yellow represents nitrogen, blue is oxygen, and red is sulfur. If you were inside these pillars, you would witness the birth of hundreds or thousands of infant stars. Due to the force of gravity, these dense molecular clouds gather together and eventually ignite into a batch of brand new stars. Just like the sun you bask under every day, it was formed in a similar scene. So these elephant trunk-shaped giant pillars are like star factories, hatching countless newborn stars. Hence the name Pillars of Creation. In 2014, to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Hubble launch, scientists used Hubble's third-generation wide-field camera to recapture and synthesize a wider view and a clearer image of the pillars of creation. Then in October 2022, NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency launched the most powerful and most expensive James Webb Space Telescope. Using its near-infrared camera, it penetrated the blocking interstellar dust and captured the most detailed photo yet of the pillars of creation. You can see many young stars still developing, buried inside the towering pillars. This kind of awe-inspiring cosmic structure, as a whole, looks like a ghostly hand stretching across the universe. However, unfortunately, according to observations from the Spitzer Space Telescope, the pillars of creation may have already been destroyed 6,000 years ago by a shock wave from a nearby supernova explosion. That is to say, the magnificent and stunning form of the pillars of creation actually no longer exists. It's just that it's 6,500 light-years away from Earth, and due to the limitation of light speed, we will have to wait at least another 500 years before we can witness the moment when the pillars of creation were destroyed. Because of this, the awe-inspiring pillars of creation also symbolize the brevity and fragility of life. So in this vast and boundless universe, not just humans, but everything is destined to reach an end one day.